Let's add 120 ml in this.
Milk.
Let's add 2 spoons of ghee in this. Mix it well slowly. Grease the bowl with ghee. Pour the mixer into the bowl. Pour a glass of water into the cooker. Put this cake mixture inside the boil this in low flame for 35 minutes without whistle. While it is boiling, we can clean this bowl. Now our cooker cake is perfectly ready. Let's add some chocolate sprinkles on it. Our cake is ready.